Alright, hey guys, kind of cool day today, and figured it'd be a good day for a cold start, or at least attempt a cold start. This is my brother's Camaro. It's only a V6 automatic, but it's been parked for like at least a year now, because the motor started to have a bad knock to it. He replaced the transmission in it because that went out, and shortly after the motor started knocking, so he parked it. Battery's dead as a doornail right now. I'm trying to charge it with my truck, but as you can tell by all the pine needles on it, she's been sitting a while. Yeah. Sounds good. See the cobwebs and shit in here. Oh, more cobwebs. I don't think it's charged enough right now. Nope, not quite yet. Alright, take two. There she is. God, that doesn't sound good. See why she was parked. Got a real bad knock in the bottom end, but it's just not worth it to fix it. Flat tire there. I'll try to air that up, maybe just at least move it, make sure the trans is still working. Because we're probably just going to end up scrapping this. I don't know. Because this is on our parents' property, and I don't think my mom really wants it sitting here any longer. So he's probably going to have to scrap it because he can't keep it at the place that he's renting right now. Alright, so we moved it out of its spot. Put some random tires. Sounds like crap. Ugh. I'm gonna attempt to take her on the block. Actually, I'm not gonna film this because I want to have both hands low because I can hardly see. So I'll let you know. Seems to be running alright.